Well, straight from the right lane though. The road markings show you that you could go straight from the right lane, not from this lane. Holy jumping! What the heck?
I didn't do anything.
That was awesome, man.
I didn't do anything.
That was awesome.
That wasn't my fault, right?
No, it wasn't. You did the right thing there. Let's make a right lane change. Just calm down. It's okay. You are awesome.
Well,
Wow. You just evaded an accident. That's defensive
my heart
driving
is
right
pounding.
there.
I didn't even have time. I don't get how people honk their horns because...
Don't have time sometimes, eh? That was good, Melissa.
No,
that's defensive driving 101 right there.
I don't think we would have hit each other if I didn't swerve that little bit, but...
Still, that's normal reaction, and you responded like you should have in order to avoid a potential accident there. That was evasive.
Searching for greatness.